Caleb Peevler here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, sitting on a fresh trade, a 2018 Sea Hunt 25 Gamefish. This boat was traded in as they stepped up into a larger Boston whaler, but is powered by twin 4-stroke 150s. So we've got a lot of benefits here. We've got a premium boat that's used, pre-owned, still under warranty, twin engine offshore, that's checking several boxes for a lot of people that are always hoping to find that late model, still under warranty, clean, low hour, twin engine offshore fishing boat, and we have it here. This 2018 Gamefish 25 has right around 170 to 180 hours across the board, but has everything you'd expect from a dive boat offshore fishing boat. We work forward from those rear 4-stroke engines that are twin 150s, essentially the workhorses of the Yamaha market, and we've got a flip up rear bench seat. We've got workstation, bait station here behind the lean post. We've got a fish box in the transom and bait well, so we can cruise, we can ride, we can enjoy the boat. If we know we're going to be diving and or fishing offshore, we'll kick that bench out of the way, kick the stanchions up, and we've got more fishing space to get to the bait nets, the live wells, our knife holders, rod holders, etc. The people that traded it in were primarily divers, so you're not going to see a lot of wear and tear across most of the rod holders and items of that nature, but they did obviously enjoy the boat being less than 2 years old, 180 hours, and it's great to see those people out enjoying it. We work our way forward. We can see the blackout dash from the factory at Sea Hunt. This one specifically has a Simrad NSS 12 Evo 3 chart plotter with 3-in-1 transducer to do down scan, side scan, and traditional chirp technology. But we've got all the equipment easily illuminated across the dash, the Yamaha Command Link Plus gauge, obviously low hours. Some of the things that are key to note here is we've got pretty comfortable stand-up seats that meet that love handle lumbar support. If I want to sit down, get comfortable, kick the backrest down, I can put my feet up on that Sea Hunt noted, anti-fatigue mat. This one is worth noting that it has the electronic control on the 150s. It's extremely new for Yamaha. I was pretty surprised to see that on the F-150s and 2018 models. Just a reminder, the boat is still under warranty and has the extended warranty from Yamaha, but the electronic controls, if it's something you're not familiar with, are super smooth where you're running against brushes versus running against older cables for steering and shift. You'll find that these go much easier into gear, and they're going to stay where they need to be when you're using the boat and trolling or cruising, that you don't have to maintain that hand on there. The boat does have the head on that side. Sneak around here and put Andy in the corner. But we've got storage down below, dive lockers, some extra bolsters, and a full pump out head with holding tank down below. Nice little toilet there. Sea Hunt does a good job getting stuck in the door there. Full glass windshield with vent. So we're riding, we can keep ourselves dry with the full glass windshield front and side with tempered glass. But we've also got a vent to keep the air flowing. Color match under the hardtop to look nice and jive. Work our way to the front of the boat if Andy could peek around. We do have that full casting platform, backrest, as well as bow cushions. We got a great opportunity to lounge up front, catch some sun, catch some rays, let the kids fish, let mama suntan or drink her cocktails, and be comfortable. Removable backrest, windlass up front, and another seat and additional seating up here so we can take plenty of people out. We're going to step outside, take a look at the boat from the outside, and get a better look. Thanks. We step outside the boat, we get a better look at that Carolina blue hull. We speak to a Carolina light blue on a South Carolina built boat that's been doing a great job in the mid-level market, making sure that we've got enjoyable offshore fishing boats at an affordable price. This one specifically has the optional tuna door. I actually believe that's standard on the Gamefishes. I may have spoke out of turn there calling it optional, but that would kick up. And if we're diving or fishing and you've caught you a monster, we can pull him up inside the boat there with that stainless trim ring. We work our way down the boat and we see that two-tone open up into that wonderful Carolina flare, the optional windlass with stainless steel anchor. We want to have that big Carolina flare and deep V boat to not only ride comfortably but stay dry. This boat specifically, 25 feet overall, has a recap powered by twin 150s with around 170 to 180 hours. Simrad 12-inch display, everything we need to go off and fish right out of the gate. Continental tandem axle trailers included, so boat motor trailer for quite a bit less than what you can find them for new. My name's Caleb. This is MarineMax Panama City Beach. If you enjoy our page, check us out at MarineMax.com. Get a look at all of our listings in detail for new, used, and brokerage. We got them from 11 feet all the way up well over 42 feet. We've got a multitude of used, new, and brokerage boats, but check out our YouTube page, like, subscribe, and engage. Get a look at some of the videos that are gonna pop out every single day. Thanks.